When asked how to improve the profitability of a business, the typical response by a robot accountant is to restructure costs, i.e., fire your staff and slash your overhead expenses. They'll offer a bunch of recommendations like replacing the espresso machine with instant coffee and cancelling the annual staff Christmas party. Sound familiar? Now, the problem I have with this advice is that it's just wrong. Cutting petty expenses is not a sure way of improving profitability. The problem when CFOs and accountants undertake cost-cutting exercises is that they only consider the numbers on a profit and loss statement. They don't often consider the non-financial consequences of being a tight ass. Now, there are 3 ways you can actually improve the profitability of your business, and no, it doesn't necessarily mean cutting your petty expenses. Let's call them the 3 levers. Okay, let's take a look at your profit and loss again. Notice how it's split into 3 distinct categories: revenue, direct costs, and operating expenses. Think of these as levers to your company's profitability. The 3 levers that form the controls of your profit and loss are the sales lever, the direct costs lever, and the operating expenses lever. The sales lever is the top line, revenue. Now, the sales lever can actually be pulled in 2 ways. The first one is increasing prices. So that is, increase the price per unit of your product or service. And the second way we can pull the sales lever is by increasing volume, i.e. selling more units. The second lever is your direct costs lever. Direct costs are all the expenses attributable to the production of your product and service. Direct costs are typically variable, which means they increase as your sales volume does. The third and final lever is the operating expenses lever. These are all the fixed operating expenses that you incur irrespective of your revenue volume. These are overhead expenses like rent, general wages, utilities, insurance, etc. These 3 levers form the controls to your profitability machine. Now, within the levers, there are several moving parts, like your wages expenses, your insurance, your rent, your costs of sales, and it's really important that we can optimize these levers so your business is working like a well-oiled machine. In our next video, we'll explore how we can optimize these levers to improve your profitability. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out.